Hey everybody, it's Evan, and so as you can see, I have Blueberry Flashback Express Recorder right here, and I'm getting a new microphone, which I hope will be better. The sound quality should improve in way better, like significantly, with the choppy noise that I always have, which really sucks. But today, I'm taking a look at SpyBot, Search and Destroy. This is a spyware adware remover. It's free. If you want, the website is safernetworking.org, and you just move your way to download, and you can download SpyBot Search and Destroy 1.6.2. I'm gonna download from their server. Download 3.6 megabytes, and on YouTube, my videos can now be longer than 15 minutes, so I will be making videos up to probably maybe movie-length videos eventually, when I have a better sound thing and stuff like that. So, but this one's probably just gonna be like 20 minutes or something like that. And, I used it, SpyBot, I used it lots. It used to replace some super anti-spyware and malwarebytes, but after I saw what these two companies did together, these two work together insanely good. Super anti-spyware finds the adware, malwarebytes finds the spyware. This one finds the malware, this one finds the spyware and adware, and this one just kicks the malware's butt. And, my next video, I might as well show you, is going to be, let's go, what is it called again? Dr. Webb's Cure It. I'm gonna put up to my machine after I visit lots of, adware sites. Dr. Webb supposedly finds adware, so I'm gonna see if they find adware. I'm gonna see what they do. So I'm just gonna go to lots of adware sites and see if they find some. And then, as you can see up here, VMware Workstation 8. I want to buy this. It costs $89, and if I buy VMware, it will put my system into a virtual system, so that I will be like the other security malware video guys on YouTube, so I can download all the viruses I want onto my machine, and then try to clean it off with different types of stuff, which is pretty cool. So, that Dr. Webb here, that's next. After that, I don't know. People should message me of what they want me to do. I'm running out of ideas. I've done everything. There, it's downloaded. We're gonna hit open. Run. Yes. Secure shredder application. This allows you to shred like programs that you don't need anymore, like to really shred them, like make sure that they're non-existent. Security center integration. This is their like their on-demand scanner that scans stuff automatically as like you're downloading it off the internet. It'll scan it. It works okay, but it doesn't work as good as like the Malwarebytes Pro and Super Inspire Pro. Next, T-Timer is also it too. No, let's do all of these. That's on. Install. SpyBot. Now the security center is, I think, new. This was probably put on their I think it was put on their 1.6.0 product. I'm not sure. I think that's what they put it on. And I've never used it before. This is security center is probably going to be this new. Don't show this message again. That screen that popped up. I'm going to start using the program because I know how to use it. Right away, go search for updates. And choose where to get them from. And I'm gonna get them. I'm just gonna do something random here. Let's go. Fastbeatest.com. You're gonna download, and it's gonna download advanced detection immunization database key timer update. Please reapply immunization database update. Okay. I want their English target description files. Those are the points. The important files are the ones that are the detection files. We're gonna exit this. Leave this stuff. And I'll show you how to use it. I don't know why it takes this long to load. They should really fix that. It shouldn't take this long to load. I have 4 gigabyte RAM. I was taking that long to load. It's not much. Don't show the message one. Okay. So immunize. What does immunize do? You're listing administrative rights to performance action. Oh, really? Oh no. I'm the administrator. That was wrong what it said there. So immunization allows you to take preventive measures against spyware by using methods inside your browser. This is this. So you can see unprotected is 15,150, so there's an so it's unprotected. So that what you can do is you're gonna immunize. So I'm an administrator. Can't be completed totally. Protected too. So if I was an administrator, it'd work. I'm not gonna worry about that. I can just run as an administrator. That's all I gotta do. All I gotta do is just go. Boom. And then hit run as administrator. I'm gonna immunize it. I'm gonna run as admin. Yes. Now it should work. Immunize. It's gonna scan. And then now it should work. That messaging pop up when it opens. Starting to immunize, and now it's gonna immunize. At the end, all of these should be at 0. If not, something's wrong. As you notice, sorry, there's some stuff in my throat. Sorry about that. Oh, I'm dumb. This should be gone at the end. I hope. I guess we'll see. The additions can take a while. As you can see, it has to protect 139,052 items on my PC. That's mine. There's lots of others out there which might be different. I don't know. I don't know why. It's done, but it's still unprotected. It's 15,148. Don't know why, but I'm just gonna leave that. If you want, I'd do it again, but I'm just gonna waste some time. So now, if you go up here, you got check for problems, mode, advanced modes, check what this is out. Settings, you can hit the settings. Languages, you can choose your language. File sets. You can choose what it finds and everything like that, and how much it looks for. Settings, all the settings it has, I just keep it as normal. Directories, skins, scheduler, ignore cookies. Now I only recorded previous, and it did have one ignored once. I need to make sure that it is not ignored. Browser profile Chrome, look at that. File extensions, system entries. Sure, good. Minimize, tools. Uninstall info, you can uninstall it. System startup, this is what starts up. You can see what starts up. This is actually pretty good because you can automatically make what runs. Right? T-timer, this is their log of what happens. Secure shredder. You can shred something, chop it away, the number of hits it done. 35 means it'll totally demolish the thing. And yeah, sure. So what we're gonna do, recovery, is if there's something that was really nasty and it was found in, I think, Windows, you can recover it just in case of Windows is not functioning properly. Search and destroy, this is where you can scan for problems. I'm gonna do just that. What are you gonna do is you say check for problems. We have located 307 temporary files. Scans view will increase the files to clean your temporary folder. You want to SpyBot search and destroy this. I'm gonna click yes. Some files are in use, cannot be removed. Okay. High permanently, and it'll show how much stuff that needs to be scanned. 814,920 things that's to scan, which doesn't take too long once this gets going. And just to give you an update on my Kaspersky thing is big. There we go. License is 17 days late. I'm gonna renew that. My grandparents got Kaspersky Total Security 2012. I'm gonna get their key and use their key. Then I get my own Kaspersky. They bought it for free computers. They have two. I have one. So I'm gonna use their computer. And then I'll have Total Security on my computer, which is a great product. Super inspiring now, but it's still running fine. I got QuickTime Player. That's for I think Apple videos. We need to it's at 10,000. Let's say, let's see. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's in the registry key, but this is in a file. I don't like this. Don't like this. Don't like this. Don't like this. See, why I don't like this is because it's a file, and a file could be like opened and run, even though it's an adware. It's called w3i.iq5.fraud, so it's a fraudulent thing. Not good. We want to get rid of that. I'm shocked that I find that. This is now getting interesting. I had no idea. I was just scanning my computer just to show what a scan looked like. I know it's gonna find stuff, so let's see what else it finds. It's probably gonna find more, but that's pretty interesting. I did a scan with Super and Spyware yesterday. I didn't find anything. Maybe that's something new. Don't know. Well, cool. I'll pause the video, and once it's done, I'll keep you updated. If something comes up, I'll update you with whatever I found. Let's just. So we're about halfway through. Almost another 40,000 to go, and it still found these three right here. HKey local machine software freeze.com. That's a definite adware program. And W3I, yeah, that's not legit. Free offers from freeze.com. See program files. I'm gonna check that out right now. I'm actually gonna go to my computer. I'm gonna go to my local disk, program files, and let's delete this. This is pointless. Delete. Don't even know what big zipper is really. Done. Bonjour. Don't know what bonjour is. Free offers from freeze.com. There's it right there. Look at this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let spyware searching store delete the ones that it found, and then I'll go in here and delete it like manually if it left over some stuff. And is that it? Let's check program files. So that is XP World. That would be my phone, everybody. I'm sorry, my fault. I'm dumb. I had my phone right on my counter right beside me, and it started ringing. So you guys probably heard of that, because I don't have a mic yet. Once I have the mic, all those noises will be gone. Good. Everything else is gone. Let's check. Sweet. Cool. There. Halfway so far. So it found 4 items, 4 entries, adware, C. And the problem is W3I IQ5 fraud adware. Cool. So if something pops up here, I'll update you again. This is just our halfway update. And if it doesn't, I'll just wait till the end and clean it up from there. Be right back, everybody. So, as you can see, it's done. It took 17 minutes and 42 seconds. Still found that 4 things I told you about. The 4 adware C things. They're w3i.iq5.fraud. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna hit this big button right here, fix selected problems. We're going to remove these entries. Do you want to continue? I'm gonna hit yes. Boom, 4 problems fixed, done. And if they were recovery, there, they put the 3 registry keys here, but I'm fine. I'm not gonna worry about that, because I know that it's just backup, but I know that they're nasty. So that's cool. Search and destroyed the 4 nasty adware things that are found on my computer. 2 of them were registry keys, which weren't good. So that's good. It cleaned up my system good. And so thanks for watching, everybody. As I told you, my next video is going to be Dr. Web. After that, I'll figure out what I'm going to do. So thanks for watching, everybody. And you guys have a good week. I'll probably do my next video once I get my mic and to see how that sound works. This is just to make sure everybody knows I'm still doing videos. It might be crappy sound, but I'll fix that with my microphone. So talk to you guys later, everybody. Have fun.